This is a slide of the esophagus. So we'll go through the layers. The first layer from here, so here's the lumen, so from this edge through this patchy part, all of this is the tunica mucosa, followed by the tunica submucosa, this light pink area, followed by the tunica muscularis, this meaty looking part, followed by out here, just very faint, the tunica adventitia, which is connective tissue that holds the esophagus up against the trachea. Okay, so this tissue right here that kind of looks like a purple sunset, so we have all these healthy nuclei here, and then you see all these dotted nuclei going out all the way to the lumen. That tissue is stratified squamous epithelium, and it's present to be reinforcement against like food with sharp edges like chips and things like that. So this tissue is stratified squamous epithelium. Then there's this kind of connective tissue layer in here, which is called the lamina propria. And then the next structure here is that muscularis mucosae. So that's a very important defining feature of the esophagus. In our other organs, this muscularis mucosae was just a very thin pink line that looked like a paintbrush line. And here it's thick and it's patchy and it looks like marbled meat kind of. So again, that structure is the muscularis mucosae. The tissue of it is smooth muscle. And so from the stratified squamous epithelium, including the lamina propria, through that muscularis mucosae, all those three things make up the tunica mucosa of the esophagus. So then our next layer was tunica submucosa. It contains connective tissue. And then tunica muscularis, which contains two layers of muscle, the circular muscle and the longitudinal muscle. And then finally that tunica adventitia on the outside that contains connective tissue.